Hi guys, today I'm here to share with you the newest sous vide stick by Kitchen Boss. So I worked with them last year and they recently introduced a new model and they sent it over to try. Today I'm going to make salmon. I've heard amazing things about how buttery the fish comes out when it is cooked sous vide and I can't wait to try it myself. So let's get started. We are going to start by prepping the fish. Then we are going to place the fish in a bag and add some olive oil. You can use vacuum seal bags, but a large storage bag like Ziploc works fine too. The sous vide stick is so easy to set up and use. Here I have clamped the stick to a large pot of water. It has built-in recipes that you can choose from depending upon the type of protein or vegetables that you're cooking. Today I'm going to use the built-in salmon recipe to finish my cooking. It also allows to preset and schedule a cooking session for a later time. You simply do this by pressing the button in the middle. While the fish is cooking, I am going to make a quick tempered yogurt sauce and some pickled onions to serve with it. Once the fish is done cooking, I like to sear it in a really hot pan before serving, but you can serve it as it is if you wish. I also cooked up some asparagus to serve along using the sous vide. I like to serve the salmon with some rice. This recipe is so healthy, colorful and yummy. My toddler just loves it. Sous vide is an efficient machine which takes worry out of cooking. I can set it up and tend to other chores while my meal is getting ready. It is waterproof and easy to clean. It can be conveniently placed in a bag for easy storage in your kitchen. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.